Daniel walks to school every day. Daniel walked to school every day. Daniel will walk to school every day. Emily plays the piano on weekends. Emily played the piano on weekends. Emily will play the piano on weekends. I drink water after lunch. I drank water after lunch. I will drink water after lunch. They ride their bikes in the evening. They rode their bikes in the evening. They will ride their bikes in the evening. She draws beautiful pictures. She drew beautiful pictures. She will draw beautiful pictures. We visit the museum on Sundays. We visited the museum on Sundays. We will visit the museum on Sundays. Jack watches cartoons every night. Jack watches cartoons every night. Jack will watch cartoons every night. You listen to music every morning. You listen to music every morning. You will listen to music every morning. Olivia writes stories for fun. Olivia wrote stories for fun. Olivia will write stories for fun. He cleans his room on Saturdays. He cleaned his room on Saturdays. He will clean his room on Saturdays. I love reading mystery books. I loved reading mystery books. I will love reading mystery books. Sarah talks to her friends during lunch. Sarah talked to her friends during lunch. Sarah will talk to her friends during lunch. The cat sleeps under the table. The cat slept under the table. The cat will sleep under the table. We play board games after dinner. We played board games after dinner. We will play board games after dinner. Henry studies hard for his exams. Henry studied hard for his exams. Henry will study hard for his exams. They live in a small village. They lived in a small village. They will live in a small village. Ava makes delicious cookies. Ava made delicious cookies. Ava will make delicious cookies. You look happy today. You looked happy today. You will look happy today. My brother goes to the gym. My brother went to the gym. My brother will go to the gym. Emma paints with watercolors. Emma painted with watercolors. Emma will paint with watercolors. I eat fruits every morning. I ate fruits every morning. I will eat fruits every morning. They enjoy swimming in the lake. They enjoyed swimming in the lake. They will enjoy swimming in the lake. Noah wears glasses. Noah wore glasses. Noah will wear glasses. The baby laughs loudly. The baby laughed loudly. The baby will laugh loudly. We take the bus to school. We took the bus to school. We will take the bus to school. Lucas feeds the dog every day. Lucas fed the dog every day. Lucas will feed the dog every day. The sun shines in the sky. The sun shone in the sky. The sun will shine in the sky. Mia helps her mother in the kitchen. Mia helped her mother in the kitchen. Mia will help her mother in the kitchen. I open the window in the morning. I open the window in the morning. I will open the window in the morning. You ask many questions in class. You asked many questions in class. You will ask many questions in class. She drinks orange juice at breakfast. She drank orange juice at breakfast. She will drink orange juice at breakfast. They sing songs together. They sang songs together. They will sing songs together. I walk my dog in the park. I walk my dog in the park. I will walk my dog in the park. Nathan plays football with his friends. Nathan played football with his friends. Nathan will play football with his friends. We brush our teeth before bed. We brushed our teeth before bed. We will brush our teeth before bed. Charlotte teaches at a local school. Charlotte taught at a local school. Charlotte will teach at a local school. I check my email every hour. I check my email every hour. I will check my email every hour. The birds fly in the sky. The birds flew in the sky. The birds will fly in the sky. You finish your homework quickly. You finished your homework quickly. You will finish your homework quickly. He smiles a lot. He smiled a lot. He will smile a lot. I start work at 9 a.m. I started work at 9 a.m. I will start work at 9 a.m. They plant flowers in the garden. They planted flowers in the garden. They will plant flowers in the garden. Anna calls her grandma on Sundays. Anna called her grandma on Sundays. Anna will call her grandma on Sundays. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. We ate dinner at 8 p.m. We will eat dinner at 8 p.m. The clock shows the correct time. The clock showed the correct time. The clock will show the correct time. I listened carefully in class. I listened carefully in class. I will listen carefully in class. James rides his scooter outside. James rode his scooter outside. James will ride his scooter outside. The children play in the yard. The children played in the yard. The children will play in the yard. You read the newspaper every day. You read the newspaper every day. You will read the newspaper every day. Lily washes her hands before eating. Lily washed her hands before eating. Lily will wash her hands before eating.